So if I were to move this around so that the x squared comes first, then we can easily tell that this is in the form of ax squared plus k, where a is 1 and k is 16. A is positive, so we have to have an upwards facing parabola, and the vertex is at 0k, so that's 0, 16. Whoops, there we go. Okay, so then that's a little large, so I'm going to pretend that this is 16. Okay, so that's 16, here's our vertex. And now let's solve for any roots, or any x-intercepts. That's solving for when y is equal to 0, right? So does this equation ever have a solution? Right, subtracting 16 to both sides, I get this. But of course, any number squared has to be positive, so this is impossible to solve. So that means there are no x-intercepts. Okay, so it just looks like this, going upwards in this direction. Okay, you can try to plot the next point here, right? If I plug in for 1 and -1, right, I get that y is equal to 16 plus or minus 1 squared. The reason why I did this is because regardless of what the sign is, you're going to get 16 plus 1, right? So really this just means that this point here, this, same with here, I guess this is drawn slightly poorly. Right? This point here, okay, has to be 17. Okay, so then we have 1 and 17 and -1 and 17.